Hey, it's Maria here, back with another video. So today's video is going to be all about manifestation, and there are many different forms of manifestation. So you've got like visualization, which is what we're going to be doing today. You've got words of affirmation, and you've also got like spells and things like that. But I'm not going to go into that today because that's a whole other topic. But manifestation is essentially making your dreams into reality. Focusing on what it is that you want and manifesting that into reality. I've been manifesting since I was about 19, and the first time I manifested, it came true. So I started doing it again and again and again, and it really is quite incredible. And this is why I really stand by it, because I've seen it work in my own life. But you really have to believe with manifestation. You can't just put stuff out there into the world and hope for the best. You have to believe with all your heart that this can be real for you. And yeah, there's lots of different sort of like meanings behind manifestation and how to manifest, but something different works for everyone. For me, it really helps me to see a visual representation of what it is that I desire. So that's what today's going to be about. It's going to be about dream boards. And I have got a canvas, a blank canvas, kind of like life. Life is a blank canvas. And I'm going to be sticking my dreams, my desires onto this canvas. And I'm bringing you along for the journey, so sit back, enjoy, grab a cup of tea, and I hope you enjoy the video. Mwah. Hello! So I'm currently walking through the park, about to go to the library to print out some pictures for my dream board, and I've got a canvas which I'll show you when I get back, and someone just walked past, and yeah, it's a beautiful day, so great day for manifesting. Really excited. So this is a dream board I made earlier on in the year. As you can see, I have kind of like divided it up into different sections. So the first one is like traveling the world, and then it's like more travel manifestations, friendship. In this little text box here, what I've done is I've written in the present tense, so as if that these dreams, these things that I want in my life are happening to me right now. So like with friendship, as if it's in the present tense. Our bond is strong. When I'm around them, I'm always laughing. I speak about it as if it is really happening right now, in this moment. And then yeah, girl boss, career, relationships, living spaces, nature. And this one is goddess affirmations. Oh no, goddess manifestations. I have stepped into my power as a woman. And then just, yeah, more like written manifestations of my dream life. I'll just give you an example of one of the written manifestations. So, wake up, meditate, singing bowls, attune to the highest frequency of love, set the intentions. There is a constant stream of income in your bank account. So it's essentially just like calling what you want into existence, but as if it's really happening in this moment. So when you're writing this, feel it. Feel, you know, what everything, you know, what can you touch around you? What can you taste? What can you smell? you know, imagine this really vividly, and yeah, just really bring it to life in your mind. This is my journal, by the way. How effing cute is this? It's like 3D. It's beautiful. And also the pages are like gold, which makes it extra special. But yeah, just had to put that in there. For me, like putting my dreams and my manifestations into a book that is like a visual representation of like beauty and love is like really important to me. I feel it helps, you know, as like a reminder. So this is the canvas that I've bought. I literally got this for £5 in Flying Tiger, which is kind of like a stationery shop, and I think it's like they sell all kinds of stuff in there. It's kind of like a little bit more expensive than Poundland, but yeah, I just got this canvas. It's 40 times 50 centimeters, and it's a nice and big one. I got a big canvas because I'm going to use this all year round. I'm probably going to put it up on my wall as a visual reminder of what I want every single day. And also, you know, I just like having lots of space to put all these lovely pictures that I've printed out. These dream boards can be done in many different ways. You can draw it. The first time I did a dream board, I literally didn't have a printer or didn't have access to a printer, so I just started drawing, and you don't have to be an amazing drawer as long as you can make out what the picture says. You can even just put words and just divide it into sections. But with this today, I'm going to sort of, I think, jumble it up. I initially wanted to divide it into like 4 sections, so like career, relationships, personal development, and like travel, but I think I'm just going to kind of jumble it. So I've got photographs because I do photography and I want to be inspired. There's art, there's travel, quotes, lists. Yeah, definitely a variety of different things here, so I'm really excited to stick it down, and yeah, let's do this. So I've got loads to cut up, and yeah, I'm gonna stop filming and pick the camera back up again when I have cut them all up, and you can see how I'm gonna place it. So I've cut them out and spaced them out on the board, and I've got a couple left. I've got about 4 photos, but I'd rather have some left over than not have like too much space on the board, I think, but I could maybe squeeze them in somewhere. So yeah, it's just a mix of quotes. I've got some quotes there. That's travel, that's like inspiration for art. I love neon colors, you know, like I thought that picture was cute, just like a couple with their dog sitting on the beach. I thought that was very sweet. I'm always sort of like reading quotes about like wolves and being wild and, you know, feminine energy, so I thought I'd put that on there. This is a festival in India. It's called the Festival of Colour. Holi Festival, I believe it's called. This is about like womanhood and femininity, and that's paragliding. That's something that's on my bucket list, and then that's skydiving, And yeah, like it's just like a collection of different images, and bringing it all together here, I can see it looks so beautiful, and the colors and everything, and it's just, yeah, I'm gonna arrange it a little bit better and then stick it down. Woohoo! So annoyingly, my glue stick has dried up and it's kind of crumbling the paper, so I'm gonna have to go and get another glue stick. But yeah, you can kind of get the idea of it here. It's very much just a jumbled kind of collage of pictures of my dreams and manifestation, and reminders as well, you know, with these quotes. So every day when I wake up, I can look at this, and I just think it's really, really sweet and very meaningful to me, these pictures. They represent, you know, what life could be. So if I ever feel like my life is becoming something that I don't want it to be, you know, I can just look at this and just be like, there are good times ahead. And it's kind of like a visual reminder of that. So I have finished the dream board and I'm really happy with it. This is a really great dream board just because of its colour and its vibrancy. It really represents me well. And I'm going to put it up there, right next to that print, just so that every morning I can kind of just look at it and, you know, have that constant reminder, and also just inspiration as well. I made sure to put a lot of photographs on here that inspire me. Hey, I just wanted to thank you for watching the video. I thoroughly hope you've enjoyed it and that you found some inspiration for your own dream board. I hope that you are open to the possibility of manifestation as well. If you've just stumbled across this video and you've never manifested before, give it a go. It's so fun and it is really powerful, you know. If you don't believe in like spirituality, like magic and like the universe and stuff like that, then I would just say that manifestation is basically just like putting your goals or your desires or your wants in life on paper or in words, if it's written, on what it is that you actually want in your life. I think that is very, very important for people, and I think that everyone should kind of think about what it is that they want and have an idea of that. I've manifested so much in my life, and some of it without even realizing, but it is just once you get into it, it's very, very special, and I hope you can all experience it for yourself. And yeah, I wish you all the best, love and peace. Hope everyone has a lovely Christmas and lots of love. Bye.